Hey, what's up, biology guys? It is the Sunday, May 31st, and we are heading into our last week of new instruction. We have one assignment this week. It will be your last assignment for biology this semester, and you are done with high school general biology. How about that? It's been such a crazy semester, and I can't thank you enough. Me and Miss Iliano cannot thank you enough for how you guys have weathered the storm here and all this craziness and continued to do your work, to stay online, to do what you got to do with we didn't know what was going on around us. And that shows to your grit, which will be a life lesson that you will take with you however wherever you end up going or whatever you end up being or becoming. Okay. Me and Miss Ileana miss you. We hope to see your face in September. Please come by and say hi. This last assignment for you is kind of open ended. It's been a crazy time, guys. We had Kobe Bryant's death. We've had a global pandemic. We've had riots. And on Saturday, we just sent two astronauts into space. Okay? So, my question for you is this, and you can do a paragraph, you can do a picture, you can do both and get extra credit. You can do a video and get extra credit. Okay? If you want some extra credit, some people have asked about that. Okay? Um, what do you think future humans and society will look like 100 years from now? You could talk about what we'll look like in terms of what's on our hands, if we'll have claws or whatever. You could talk about it socially. You could talk about it up in space. Where will we be? What will we do? Okay. I'm keeping this very open ended for you. Think about evolution. Think about life. Think about how we adapt. Okay. Um, been a lot going on this school year, and you guys have handled it. And I realize some of the stuff that you are seeing and doing is more important than what we're teaching in the classroom. So this is an opportunity for you to reflect and never forget that. That's always a great opportunity for us. Um, do what you can on the assignment. The more you do, the better points you'll get. Okay. It's due Friday. Paragraph is fine. A picture is awesome. Want to do both? Great. Okay. Um, the following week is a chance for you to make up anything we're missing. So check your power school. Come into Cameron's conferences for me and Miss Iliano. Okay. We will help you if you need help on any of this. What do you think humans will be like 100 years from now? Some of you might be hopeful. Some of you might be pessimistic. Okay. Give us reasons why. Paragraph should be at least 5 sentences. Five. Picture. Add some color to it if you want to do a picture. Make it happen. All right, guys. Have a great summer. I'll be checking in. I'm available. This will be my last time. This will be the last week. Will be available for Cameron's conferences from 10:30 to 11. But we'll continue to have email after that. The following week, you're turning in your laptop. Okay. This is see ya, but not goodbye forever. Okay. We'll talk to you. See you online. Bye.